Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to Shopee Pay. And if you want to do that, the first thing that you need to know is you need an account that is verified on Wise. Otherwise you can do this. Then after that, we click here on send. And then we fill in right here the Philippines, for example. That is a country that has the e-wallet option. So you need the e-wallet option to transfer money with Shopee Pay. So that is very important to know. We select right here the Philippines and then we fill in right here 100 euro. Then we do add recipients and then we do e-wallet right here. Then you can select myself or someone else. So we do from here someone else. And then we fill in right here their email. Then we fill in right here full name of the account holder. And then we fill in right here wallet provider. So you can click on it. And then we select right here Shopee Pay. Then right here we go to recipient e-wallet number. So fill in their wallet number. Don't make a mistake. That's very important. And then fill in right here the city from that person. Then we do continue and now everything here is red in my place. But if you are having a Shopee Pay account, he will send you to the review page where you need to review all your details. So check those details carefully, click then next, do the things that they ask you to do, and then click on continue to the pay page where you will see all your transferring details. So this is how you can transfer your money from Wise to right here Shopee Pay, and hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.